we are back down at the property again and getting ready to go after the permit for installing a septic system down here. And in order to get that, one of the things that we have to provide them with is some elevations of the ground out here. And we are going to be installing a low pressure pipe system. And what that means is rather than just being a gravity feed, because the ground is so hard down here and rocky and clay and all of that, we were pretty close to having a system that we could use just a standard gravity feed with, but because of how hard the soil was, we were going to have to switch over to a system that pumps in the water from the septic system all at once. And so in order to do that, they need to know the elevation of drop between the main holding tank and the field. So we've got to get a couple of elevation measurements out here. And I am just now setting up a transit so that we can get the elevations right. I don't know how critical they are. I'm sure that if we have them within a few inches, I'm sure they'll be okay. So we're gonna have Shelly out here in a minute. Okay, we're level. So this is what we're looking at. We've got an area defined out here where we can place the system, and so we just need the elevations of that, and that's what we're after right now. Okay, so give me the camera, and there's Shelly.
Hey everyone.
Okay, so she's gonna go get the sticks, and then we're gonna start doing some measuring here. Okay, 25. Okay, come down to this one here. Now you gotta go up a ways.
Oh.
Hold still. I can see that one. That was 44.